Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add Payoneer to Adobe Stock. So in this one, we have 5 steps. Let's start with the first one, which is to go to Contributor Dashboard. So first, you just have to log into your Adobe Stock Contributor account and find the Payer account or tax and payment info section. So you must have reached the minimum withdrawal threshold, usually at $25, to see the payment setup options. Next is to choose a payment method. So just select Payoneer from the list of available payment options alongside PayPal or Skrill, depending on your region. So Adobe Stock will confirm that Payoneer will handle all future payouts. Next is to click the connect. So click the connect or sign up or login button. So this will securely redirect you to the Payoneer website, and you will need to have pop-up enable in your browser for the setup to work smoothly. Next is to log in and authorize. So log into Payoneer account. So Payoneer will ask you to authorize Adobe Stock to initiate payments to your account. So you just have to click approve or connect. So if you don't have a Payoneer account, you will need to sign up first and then authorize. And lastly is to confirm payout setting. So you will be redirected back to Adobe Stock dashboard, where Payoneer should now be listed as your active payout method. So your earnings will automatically be sent to your Payoneer account once you meet the minimum payout threshold and submit a request. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!